today we are going to be doing some organizing. I am sharing with you guys my organization haul. We're gonna start this whole 2021 with some good old decluttering and organizing. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Angel. I share so many things: lifestyle, home, mommy life, DIY. If any of that interests you, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a video. Now, today I'm gonna be doing some organizing. I got a lot of organization products that I'm going to share with you guys. Now, most of the stuff I'm going to be organizing today is going to be a lot of my Christmas decor. However, I'm going to give you tons of options that you can use these products for, because they're not just like Christmas storage. I got some really nice organization pieces that you can use for so many things around your home. All these products came from Amazon, and if you didn't know, you can follow people on Amazon. And so when you click my link, head to my Amazon page, make sure to click that follow button. I'm actually going to be going live every single week on Amazon, so make sure to click follow so you get notified when I go live. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I will be sharing the day and time so you can prepare and be ready ahead of time. And you can also sign up for my email list, because I will send out an email notification as well before I go live. It will be an amazing experience. So let's jump into today's video. I'm going to show you a little bit of b-roll of the organization stuff I got. Say hey, big boy. Look at all this. Got a lot of stuff. And here's all the Christmas stuff. So, here's this little guy. He's walking, y'all. If you guys are new and don't know, I love Christmas. I love decorating for Christmas. I go all out for Christmas. Yeah, I'm one of those girls. I have plenty of old videos of decorate with me's for Christmas. This past Christmas, so much has been going on. I took everything down, but I really didn't have time to organize it. And I'm used to having it organized, because as I decorate each year, I just go in and pull out what I need for that year, depending on my theme and my color. Now, I'm like, okay, Angel, you gotta get this organized so that decorating this upcoming Christmas is easy. And I found that over the years, just having things organized, you can find what you're looking for that Christmas, and you don't have to go do a lot of shopping and stuff. It's right there. It just makes life easier, period. Let's just jump right into it, okay?
First up, I'm gonna use these vacuum storage bags. These guys are so amazing for saving space. So I bought the big pack that comes with 8 jumbo bags, and they are huge. They can fit multiple pillows. They can fit your bedding, your duvets, your towels, your blankets. It literally squeezes all of the air out of those items and saves you a lot of space. So you can definitely increase your storage space without having to do a lot. And the bags are pretty simple to use. You just use your vacuum to vacuum all of the air out. It also comes with a pump. If you don't have a vacuum, you can manually pump the air out. But if you have a handy vacuum, just use your vacuum to take all the air out. And as you can see, I have bags of pillows, because I do have a lot of Christmas pillows, and these vacuum bags have saved me so much space. Next up are these huge extra large plastic bags, and the quality of these are really good. I was really surprised, but the quality is amazing. It's made from waterproof PVC plastic, and it's huge. This is an XL size, and I put my biggest wreath that I have, which is like 42 inches, and it fit, and it still had a lot of space for even more wreaths. So I kept stuffing it and put more wreaths in there, and it still was very spacey. It wasn't tight, they're not squished, and it's just lovely. I also picked up this pack of 5 clear organizers. This frosted one is a little bit smaller than my super clear one that are very similar to this one. As you can see, I'm comparing it in the sizes. Also, the material is different. The frosted one is made from like a woven material, whereas again, the plastic was made from PVC. My favorite is definitely the plastic PVC though one. I just find that one to be a little bit more durable, but they both are heavy duty. They're just different. I'm going to be storing some miscellaneous decor in these, and I like that it's clear so that I can actually see what's in it. So if I'm doing that theme that year, I can go in there and pull it right out. I really like these because you can fold these up and travel with them. So like if you go shopping on your trip and you need some bags to store your products in, these are great and handy to have because again, you just fold them and carry them with you. They are multi-use. You can store them in your garage. They're just really heavy duty and they protect the items that you have in it. Highly recommend these. So this next organizer I'm using is this hanging organizer, and it has some really large pockets, which is very rare. They have 8 large mesh pockets and another 7 on the other side. So I chose to store Christmas ribbon in this because it's made of mesh, see-through, and I can see what colors I'm looking for. And I'm actually going to do all of my ribbons in the different colors so that it's easy to grab and go for the color that I'm doing that year. I really love that about this organizer. And it's super heavy duty, so you can store belts in this, you can store socks in this, you can store underwear. It's huge, so you can put so many things in these pockets, and I think that's an awesome organizer to have in your home. I also grabbed some of these Christmas wrapping paper storage bags. I like clear storage, especially for Christmas decor, because that way you can see what's in it. Whether you decide to label it or not, you can still see, you know, what's in it without having to open it up. And I am actually going to use this not for wrapping paper, but instead for a lot of my tall Christmas decor. As you can see, like my candy canes and my Christmas trees. Because all of this is theme based and I can see what's in it, it'll be easy to grab and go for the year that I want to do those items. And I also like the bag storage because it doesn't take up as much space as some of the big storage boxes. And these little storage containers are one of my favorite recommendations. I really love these little guys. So these are like super sturdy organizers because the frame is a wired frame. They're also foldable, they're stackable, and they're highly durable. And I also chose to get the divided, so they are in sections. I chose to store my garlands in this because a lot of times when I stick them all together, I can't keep track of how many I have, and then I have different color garlands and I have different flower garlands and bead garlands. So I thought this was perfect because it has a window. I can see what's in it and I can access it either from the top or from the front window zipper position. And you can store so many things in these, like toys and baby clothes and linens, comforters. The list just goes on. I really recommend these because they're very high quality. Now these gray storage containers, I didn't look up so much with these. As you can see, they're very flimsy. They're just not as sturdy as the one I just showed. I did like that they were windowed, but I did not like that they're like not super stackable. I mean, yeah, you can throw them on top of each other, but they're not gonna like hold, you know, sturdy. So I decided to store my tree toppers in these, but again, because it's windowed, I can see what's in there and what I'm looking for, and so it still will work. So if you use these, I would say use them for clothes or blankets or comfort or something like that. Now this next storage container is a Christmas storage container. It's clear, which I really wanted, as a huge ornament storage box, but I chose to use it to store all of my bowls. I really like the fact that this is not only huge and you can see through it, but that it also has these little compartments in it. So I chose to do my different color bowls so that again, when I'm searching that next year for a certain color, I can go in there and find it, and it's sectioned by colors, so it'll be easy to grab and go and also easy to put back into place. I think this is really cute, but you can also use it for ornaments if you see fit. I just chose not to. And this container is also sturdy as well. It's very handy. You can stack them on top of each other. And again, because it's frosted, you can still see what's in it, whether or not you decide to label it. I chose another Ornament storage container that is also clear frosted, and for this one it's called an under the bed storage box, but again, it's stackable and you can use it for whatever. I chose to use this one for all of my stockings and my table runners, and because they came with little sectionable parts as well, I can store them by colors and I can see what's in here when I open it up. If I'm looking for a certain color, it's easy to grab and go. Now, this last storage container that I'm going to share with you guys is, again, another one of my absolute favorites. I highly recommend this. So this is a hanging storage organizer. It's for gift wraps, but I am not going to use it for gift wraps because it is so sturdy. I chose to use it for all of my flowers, and I love that the front is clear so I can separate all of my Christmas florals by colors. And here's the catch for this one. This little guy has little straps in here to hold things in place. So this is great because I don't have to worry about the flowers sliding everywhere, because I'm going to actually end up hanging up a lot of my florals and organize them by colors. It's large enough that it does not like crush your flowers. It has enough space in there that they're just fine and they're protected. And this is great because you can hang it and it provides great organization. But of course, you can always use it for wrapping paper if that's something you want to use it for. I chose to use it for my florals. Here's all of my organization that I did today. I'm going to continue doing some more, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.